Hey, what if I told you that you could build a real business that sells 24/7, even while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your family? No warehouse, no packing orders, no customer service headaches. Thousands of everyday people are quietly making $10,000 every single month on Amazon using a simple system called FBA. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or have thousands of dollars to start. Look, we've all seen those get-rich-quick promises online, but Amazon FBA is different. It's the same model used by real brands you already know and trust. Right now, millions of products are flying off Amazon's virtual shelves every day, and smart sellers are cashing in by letting Amazon handle the hardest parts: storage, shipping, returns, and even customer support. So, what exactly is FBA? Fulfillment by Amazon. Here's how it works in simple terms. You find winning products that people already search for and buy. You send those products in bulk to Amazon's warehouses. Once they're there, Amazon stores them, packs them, ships them, and handles every single customer question or return. You literally just focus on finding great products and scaling your listings. Amazon does the rest. That means you can run this business from your laptop anywhere in the world. Here's why smart entrepreneurs love FBA. Prime Shipping Badge. Your products show up as Amazon Prime eligible, which massively boosts sales. 24/7 sales machine. Your store never closes. Scalable. Once you have a few winning products, you can add more and grow fast. Data-driven. Amazon gives you powerful analytics so you know exactly what's selling. I've seen people start with just $2,000, $5,000 and replace their full-time income within 6 to 12 months. Some even quit their jobs and now travel full-time while their Amazon business runs on autopilot. So how do you actually start? Step 1. Research products that are in demand but not overly competitive. Step 2. Find reliable suppliers, China, US wholesalers, or even private label. Step 3. Create a professional Amazon listing that converts. Step 4. Send your inventory to Amazon and launch. It's not rocket science, but it does require the right knowledge so you don't waste money on losing products. The truth is, Amazon FBA is still one of the best business models available in 2026 for regular people who want financial freedom. But here's the catch. The people making serious money right now are the ones who take action and learn the proven strategies. If you're ready to stop trading time for money and start building something that can give you freedom, comment FBA below or click the link in the description. I'll show you exactly how to find your first winning product and set up your Amazon FBA business the right way. This could be the decision that changes everything for you. Drop FBA in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Let's build your freedom business.